The famous lines from the play, Val. In short, Romeo falls in love with Juliet, and she's with him. However, the families are enemies, so of course there'll be trouble. However, after they both confess their love and blah blah blah, they go to a priest-like person who secretly marries them. The priest person, Friar Lawrence, had hoped that the marriage would finally end the feud between the families. The end. Time for bed.
Wait, what? That's the end?
Well, not exactly. To sum up the ending, Juliet drinks this potion thing that makes her seem dead. Romeo finds her, is heartbroken, and kills himself to be with his supposedly dead love. Juliet wakes up, then kills herself because she sees Romeo dead.
Isn't it all like my princess movies? Is that really how love is?
Of course not. In fact, this is actually kind of a pretty unhealthy relationship, especially since the relationship itself was so quick. Plus, killing yourself because you can no longer be with your significant other is definitely not a way to deal with your sorrow. Of course, Shakespeare is greatly known for all his tragedies, but no, Val, not all love is like this. Healthy relationship is all about communication and trust, acceptance, and compromise. Perhaps they should have talked about it before, huh? Compromising that if one of them dies, try to keep yourself alive? Obviously they didn't. Anyways, you shouldn't have to worry.
Well, that's good then. But I don't like that ending. Can we change it?
Of course. How about instead we have them, I don't know, marry, but in a healthy way, as in, like both people put in their effort to make the relationship work without the dying. Obviously they love each other, but they'll work on how they show their love. How does that sound? We can always work detail in the morning.
That's good. I like that ending better. Good night, Lucy.
Good night. I love you.